Hello, in this video I will show you how to easily set the time and calendar on a Casio Digital Watch AQ-S810W. The first step is to use the lower left button to put the watch in the time mode. Press and hold the upper left button for 3 seconds to enter the settings, and then use the two buttons on the right side to choose your current city or time zone. If you don't know which one to choose, leave a comment below and I will guide you. I will choose Dubai as my time zone. Press the lower left button one time and then use the lower right button to turn on or off summer times. Press the lower left button one time and then use the lower right button to choose between 12 or 24-hour digital time. Press the lower left button and then the lower right button to reset the seconds to 0. Press the lower left button and then use the two buttons on the right side to choose the hour of your local time. Press the lower left button and then use the two buttons on the right side to set the minutes. Press the lower left button and now you can set the year. Press the lower left button and now you can set the month. Press the lower left button, now you can set the date. Press the lower left button 2 times and now you can choose the LED light duration on your watch. Press the lower left button and now you can choose the language of your watch using the two buttons on the right side. Press the upper left button one time to exit the settings. The watch hands will rotate to the same time set in the digital display. If they are not matching, you will need to reset the watch. You can find a video on the screen on how to reset the watch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.